A round of applause to the Honorable Minister.
The promise I made about the road, please consider it done. Let me add here that your traditional ruler would have a befitting palace. Let me also say, today, your traditional ruler told me before now that they are going to support Mr. President. I will have seen it. I hereby, by the powers conferred on me, upgrade his stool to first class too.